Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share with you a memory decks that I made, but I'm going to share with you the dies that I used. I did get a new die, and this is here. You can make anything into a Rolodex or memory decks card. And here's the bottom piece. I took the liberty of already die cutting it out, but there is a score through the middle that you could fold and varnish, and then, or burnish, and it makes the bottom of your memory decks. And so you could just sit something here at the top, you know, just over these notches. So yeah, so I just got this. I got it on Amazon, I believe, but it is from KS Crafts, so check it out. I know it might be unavailable. I'm not sure if she's going to get more in if it is unavailable, but yes, look for, maybe it's on Ali. I'm not sure. But that's what, that's my newest die I got, and it does come with lots of pieces. It comes with the shaker memory decks and the layering piece for the shaker. And then I think these are layering pieces for the bottom of the memory decks, but then you can also make the memory decks as big as you want. These are open. And so you just put them to whatever edge of the, you know, however you make your strip as long as this, and you put this at the edge of how long you want that. I don't know. That probably didn't make sense, but you get quite a few dies. I believe it was like $6.99 maybe on Amazon, maybe. I'm not sure, but it is from KS Craft. And it is the small, well, it says mini memory decks, something, something, something. But, oh, you can't even see it. I'm sorry. There it is. Hopefully you're able to find it. Hopefully she has it in stock. But yeah, you're able to turn lots of stuff into memory decks, which is cool. Now you don't have to buy so many memory decks. You can buy versatile dies that you could use as memory decks. So that, and then I also use this Stamps of Life die. It is, oh, and the sentiment too. It's from the Pineapple to Stamp. And the sentiment just says, stand tall, wear a crown, and be sweet on the inside. But one thing I do like, so this little die has all these little pieces from the pineapple that cut out. This thing. And so if you do put it on some sticky tape, I don't know what it's called, but when you peel it, it'll leave the sticky on this, and when you peel it away, most of the little dots come off. Just gotta get rid of the little ones that are still there, and then it just makes it easier. So this pineapple is definitely not ripe yet because it's still green. But yeah, so I did use this die here, and it is from the Stamps of Life. Like I said, it's the Pineapple to Stamp set. It's the die and stamp set. And then I also used the bigger pineapple from the Stamps of Life. It's the Pineapple Folded A2 card die. And it does show you different places on the die where to place the fold so that you can make it a fold card. But yeah, so I cut out a few pieces of these, and this is what I used for my memory decks card, was the big pineapple. And like I said, it is from the Stamps of Life. I'm pretty sure they still carry it. But let me show you what I got. So this is my memory decks. And so here's the bottom piece that you can adhere to the pineapple to make it a MEMORYDEX. And here's the little pineapple I showed you. These bows I just had in my stash. And then here's the sentiment. I just stamped it on some scratch paper I had. But yeah, so fun. Fun. And then I did add my information on the back, so it's ready to go whenever I send out Happy Mail or packaging. I did cut the pineapple top a few times, so it is a little thicker than the rest of the card. You can't really tell the dimension, I guess, but it is there. Anyway, so yeah, I'm really glad I found that KS Craft die, so I can you know, use a lot of my dies to make MEMORYDEX. Yeah, so let me know what you think in the comments below. I hope you guys are having a crafty day. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Please consider liking and subscribing and joining me on this crafty journey for more videos like these. See you here. And until my next video, shakas.